Hey Gali, have you noticed that many students are smoking around the campus lately?
Yeah, I have, especially near the parking area and the cafeteria. Sometimes the smoke is everywhere.
I know, right? Yesterday I was walking to the library and there were a group of students smoking near the entrance. It was really uncomfortable.
That's true. I think smoking in campus area has become a serious issue because it affects many people, not only smokers themselves.
Actually, some students might have asthma or breathing problems, so cigarette smoke can disrupt that health.
Even for people without asthma, breathing cigarette smoke every day is still bad. Passive smoker can also get health problems.
Yes, my uncle is a doctor, and he once told me that passive smoking can be just as dangerous as smoking directly.
Well, really? That sounds scary.
It is. That's why many public places now have smoking restriction, including campus.
I actually support the no smoking policy on campus. A university should provide a healthy and comfortable environment for students.
I agree with you. Students come to campus to study, discuss assessments, and learn new things. Cigarette smoke can make the atmosphere uncomfortable.
Especially in places like cafeterias. Imagine trying to eat lunch with smelling cigarette smoke.
Yeah, it really ruins the mood.
Besides health issues, smoking also affects campus cleanliness. I often see cigarette butts thrown carelessly on the ground.
Some here, sometimes people throw them near plants or drains. It makes the campus looks dirty and messy.
Exactly. And if the cigarette is not fully extinguished, it can even cause a fire hazard.
That's true. People often forget that cigarettes can be dangerous in many ways.
By the way, do you think the university rules about smoking are strict enough?
Honestly, not really. I know there are signs that say no smoking area, but many students still ignore them.
Maybe the university should give stricter penalties, like warnings or fines.
That cold walk, but I also think education is important. Students should understand why smoking restriction exists.
Good point. If students only fear punishment, they may follow the rules temporarily, but if they understand the health risk, they may become more aware.
Exactly. Awareness is more important than fear.
You know, one of my friends used to smoke almost every day.
Really? What happened?
He decided to stop after he started having breathing problems while playing futsal.
That must have been difficult for him.
Yeah, but now he says he feels healthier and save more money too.
That's another important thing. Cigarettes are expensive, especially for students who usually have limited money.
Instead of buying cigarettes every day, students could save more money for food or transportation.
Or even for entertainment like watching movie or hanging out with friends.
Exactly. Smoking can be convenient
At the same time, I think we should respect smokers too. Some people are addicted and quitting is not easy.
I agree. We shouldn't judge them harshly. Instead, the campus could provide support or counseling program for students who want to quit smoking.
That sounds like a good solution. Maybe the university could also create designated smoking areas far away from classroom and crowded place.
Yes, I think what that would be fair for everyone. Smokers still have a place, while non-smoker can enjoy the clean air.
Balance is important. Everyone has right, but they also need to respect other people.
Exactly. Respecting others is the part of being a responsible student.
I also think student organization can help spread awareness about the dangers of smoking.
Like organizing campaigns or seminars.
Yes, maybe they could invite health experts to talk about smoking and its effect.
That would be interesting. Sometimes students listen more when the information comes from real experts.
True, and maybe former smokers could share their experience too.
That could inspire students who want to quit smoking.
Definitely, small action can create big change in the future.
I hope our campus become cleaner and healthier someday.
Me too. A good learning environment is important for student productivity and comfort.
Absolutely. If the campus environment is healthy, students can focus better on their studies.
Well, speaking of studies, I think our class is about to start soon.
Oh yeah, you're right. We should go now before we're late.
Alright, let's go.